In the Pukan, what is that? Pukan hall, right?
Huh?
Pukan hall, right? Yeah, we're having animation now.
Pukan.
Yeah. So,
Pukan.
so this is also
We are here. Pukan Ho.
everyone.
Signature.
First session is over. Now we're going to start our second session. Ceremony is over. And she is there. She is there. We're getting ready for the second session. It's quite interesting.
Topic. Time management.
Okay, second session, time management. So, lakre mo isu. Let's start.
The first word is and I fly. Can I have you all standing up? Oh, yes. With that. When I say right hand, you go. Okay, not from here. Hold, right? Hold. Left hand. Hold. Both hands. Hold. Hold. Right leg. Left leg. Both legs.
Okay.
Alright, so you will see.
Bosco
Right hand.
Hold.
Left hand.
Hold.
Both hands.
Hold.
Who are we? Who are we?
Bosco
Right leg.
Big and small, help him who saved you by his grace and Lord of all. Guys, I told you right, they will eat a lot and they are actually eating a lot. See, my twin brothers, we look alike, our body shape, our figure, and he eats a lot as well like me. Eh. Oh, another one coming. Another one coming. Yo.
Stone crusher.
Stone crusher. Now, mob becomes rice crusher. Now, not stone crusher anymore. How is the food? Oh, Father. How's the lunch?
The lunch is good and it's very hot.
Hello. Your sister, no? How is the lunch? Well, fantastic. All right.
Ice cream is more make.
That's amazing. Thank you. We are going back to room 4. This will be the third session. Let's join the meeting again. Check out the room. This is where we are having our animation program. Sir Byring is also ready. They gave us a notepad, a pen, all these things. Very nice.
Or 2 lines. Anybody can sing. For the song, you need to clap 3 times. Yes. Okay, now kindly repeat after me. Na 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 na.
Na 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 na.
Na 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 na.
Na 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 na.
Na 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 na.
Na 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 na.
So easy, right? Yes. Yeah. Now 2, 3, go. Na
Na na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Now one. Okay. Super glue is a family of Fevikwik, no? So I think all of the shoes and they're singing like this. Not even moving.
자, Jamang House, Jamang House. Sir Matthew. How is the program?
It's super, really. It's very good.
Very good. Hello, welcome from DBI Guwahati. We are going to have cultural night, so we are getting ready. That is why I am also wearing this. What about? Wait, sir. Oh, so. So, ma'am, please. Cultural, nisi.
Bachelor.
Cultural.
Oh,
Cultural.
this is cultural.
Yeah, Maram, right?
Maram.
And the waistcoat here, which sir is wearing. This is also Maram waistcoat cultural dress, which looks very nice, and the designs are very good. See here at the back side also, it's very nice. Yeah, good. And this is Thankyou waistcoat. From where we're going down, right? Okay, let's go down and we shall check out the hall from where we are going to have the program. So let's go and see. Guys, we are here at the theater and everyone is here now. We are waiting for the chief guest, so see, or our teachers. Mr. Matthew, say hi. Maram cultural dress. Looks amazing. Hello again. Hi. Okay. Montana these days, yeah. Oh, we are sweating a lot. Okay, it's very hot for me.
All those videos which you are taking, are they uploaded?
Hey, Sergi, can you say hi? Smile. Come on. All the students are here. All the students are here.
The YouTubers are also here.
YouTubers are also here. Good morning, everyone from DBI.
You are adding YouTube. Adding YouTube. We are adding YouTube.
Edit YouTube. we are adding YouTube.
Adding YouTube. We can't help.
Yeah, I just wait. Still sleepy. Obviously, I'm still sleepy. Hey. I'm trying to act as much as possible. Like I'm not sleepy.
You are trying to act as if you already woke up early.
Yeah.
Shops are closed.
All the shops are closed. Oh, we try to fill our stomach. Come on. Everything is closed. All the shops are closed.
We will get.
Yeah. No pie.
No.
Upay umle.
Hello, see you later.
Okay, today let me highlight. Today we are going to Accoland, where there will be a lot of waters. So we'll go and play there. And first of all, we are going to Assam Don Bosco University, DBHSS, which is in Sonapur. So let's go and check it out, the campus, and then we will have
you
fun.
Guys, yeah.
See you guys
See you on Monday.
on Monday in the class. Bye bye. Morning, everyone. I am here with Sir George. We are going to
Let's go say hi.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. And we are going to Assam Don Bosco University, DBHSS. Okay, DBHSS. We are going up to DBHSS, where Sonapur Mein. Sonapur Mein.
We are here at Don Bosco, Assam University, DBHSS, Sonapur. We are here at the food court to have our breakfast. It's very good, amazing. See all our teachers. Okay, so the food is ready. We'll get started. Don Bosco University Academic Block 2. Okay, we are going to take group photo. So good. We're just checking out, roaming here and there. We cannot see the statue, but it's nice statue. We are here at the Accoland here at Guwahati, and this is the entrance. It's very good. All of us are here wearing a uniform, wearing a t-shirt and IT. So he is also taking video.
Brother and sister, right?
Yeah,
Your
brother
channel's
sis,
name,
brother sis,
yeah.
brother sis. So this is the Bosconian we are talking about.
Yes, not that.
What are you discussing? Okay, we are getting ready to go inside. Let's have fun. Let's check inside. Okay. Guys, we are now entering here at the Accoland. So as you can see, the water show is so started. Let's check it out. Yeah, all of us are here.
Wow.
The best photographer of Guwahati tour.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm honored. You
Oh,
go,
very
you go.
nice. Very nice one.
Very nice.
Oh, cowboy cap, very good. Karangsa is here. Yeah.
Yan pasay ko mafam je.
Oh, entrance yung ano eh.
No.
It's very good, na?
You see,
Taking photo.
sa Pazabi.
Isang kapag to yung yan mo eh. Okay. Let's check it out step by step. I'll try to show you as much as possible. Okay, let's have fun. Guys, we are here at Accoland, Guwahati, and we are relaxing and enjoying, you know, after having a hard day. Check out the view. Check out the view. It is amazing. You can see this one Pirates ship boat or ship boat. It's pretty good. Miss Lucy is on the water. Okay, let's go and have fun with us. Let us enjoy together. Oh, 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 Miss Sandy, oh, Lucy. Hey, Titus. How's the seat? Do you enjoy? So what's the first impression you got from entering here in Accoland?
See the ship.
Okay.
That is one of the first impressions.
Okay.
Other than that, I think everything is just normal.
Now we'll go and change.
Sliding.
Yeah, sliding. Or the slides are here.
Yeah.
We'll try to enjoy as much as possible. We will now go and change and then come on.
Oh,
Let's go and change our dress. Our Piring is here. Miss Lucy is here.
let's go for roaming first, then come back.
Oh, okay. Chalo, let's go. Some of them are still taking photos. Yeah. Shoot slowly, okay? Don't shoot very hard. Grapher. Watch your pie. Wah. But Miss Anna is on video call. Some ladies are over there. Let's go and check it out. Come on, guys. The arrangement, organizations of the place, it's good. They are maintaining very well. Young boys, young boys, come on, let's go. Hi. Hello, say hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hey. Hello, hi. Hello. Are you ready? Hi. You say hello when I say hi. Hi.
Hello.
Are you ready?
No, I'm done.
Hey.
Those are Byron. There is our Bosconian family enjoying the Accoland water.
We are enjoying here sliding.
Nicer.
Everything is good, so fun. See, coming down. Comment though, bro. Which one is the best?
Double one.
Double.
Double one is best.
What about the slide?
That is not
This
bad.
carpet.
Nice.
Okay. How is it? Woo! Everyone is enjoying. Accoland ki tech sida lay ito. The tech of Accoland. This is good. Oh, no, look. Joe, let's go and take part. They are the one not doing anything.
No, we enjoy. More than you.
These are the ones who are enjoying mentally.
Oh, okay.
I'm not saying they're not enjoying, they're enjoying mentally.
You will remember our enjoyment when you get sick.
Wow. Nice. See, this is amazing, right? Looks very nice. Barrage of Accoland. Wow. See, barrage of Accoland.
Oh my. Oh, this is scary, yeah. Oh. Oh, but who will able to do this one? I will not dare to do this. Oh, this is going to be amazing.
Let's see. Wow.
This looks scary, okay? This looks scary. Come on, man. Whoa! Look at them. Wow, this is so amazing. We will take part. We'll take part now and we'll change. And we will proceed to the next destination. So we enjoyed a lot. This is amazing. Come and visit if you are also here around here in Guwahati. How's the experience?
It was fantastic.
Yeah.
And especially that 2-1.
Oh, okay, sliding. Huh? Very good. We had a great time. This is Sir Pairing, and we are here to tell you something. That is, we have spent a good time, great days here at DBI Guwahati, and today, as our tour and program is coming to an end, we will be going back at 8 p.m. We will reach Maram around in the morning. So we are getting ready as our things are already packed and we are ready to go. So how do you feel?
I feel so homely that I don't want to leave.
That's true.
I wish we had more time to explore and enjoy.
When we come here and join here and attend the program here at DBI, the environment they gave us was so warm, so feels very homely. They were just amazing. They were so energetic, vibrant, vigor, everything. They have everything.
They were very friendly.
Yeah. Very good. We enjoyed attending the program as well. And yesterday's cultural night was also
amazing,
fantastic program. We really like it. It is unfortunate that we only got few days to spend here. Let us hope that we will be able to come back here again. So for today, we will be leaving. So if anyone from DBI is watching this video, thank you so much. We will come back again
when the time is right.
Yeah, when the time is right. Thank you for your hospitality, for welcoming us, for making us homely. Everything was so amazing. So thank you so much. And guys, I have shown you whatever I can, okay? So until the end of this video. Okay, so bye-bye. Now we are going for dinner.
Safe journey to ourselves.